Hi everyone, this is Anthony from sanniecreates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, before we continue with our Friday freebie today, I'd like to say hi and lots of hugs to the following ladies. Creatively Created, I hope I get this right, Enoch Kate, Helene Gloss, Angela Jones Creates. Angela, welcome to my YouTube channel. You've mentioned you're a new subscriber. I do hope that you enjoy your stay with us. Christine Skinner, M. Hines, and Soap Paper Crafts. So thanks ladies for commenting. I've read your comments and thanks for all the lovely well wishes for my husband. He is doing much better. He's not there yet, but at least I think we avoided the hospital. So that is good news. All right, sorry, my desk is a bit of a mess. And I cleaned it. Let's go. Okay, so I've got a Friday freebie that has to do with Easter because something has been naughty. She has taken the entire February off, which means that, sorry, something's just really hurting me here. So I haven't done any kits for Feb. Yeah, so I am busy with a spring kit, a spring kind of Easter kit. So I think these will go well with that spring kit. And hopefully if I finish that quickly enough, I'm going to then release an Easter kit. Okay, so these are not part of the spring kit, but judging from the images that I'm using in the spring kit, I believe that they will work. Okay, so we've got two large tags. I have backed them on coffee dyed paper and sewed around them. So I love these. And then we've got matching pockets for them. So nice big pockets there and a nice pocket over there. Okay, and then we've got matching tags for them. This one goes in here. Don't you just love that bunny? Ooh, I love it. Oh, cute, man. Yeah, that there. And then you can actually add some, lace or something there. I added lace on the top ones there. And then on this one, this is the one that goes in here. So this is one of the images that is part of my spring kit. So I've just taken it and put it in here. I don't know if I've used it or not. And then we've got circles, also an image from spring kit. Oh, sorry, I have two timers going. So I didn't realize that was on a timer. Okay, and then I've got an image there also from my spring kit. Not from the images that I can choose from. And then I've got a little saying here that says bunny kisses and Easter wishes. Okay, and I've got Easter blessings to you and yours. And then I've given you two labels that you can print out anything you want to on it. The reason is that not everybody celebrates Easter. And I want to make this this freebie so that everyone can use it. Okay, so that is why I've given you those free ones there. I do celebrate Easter for sure, so I will be using these over here. Okay, and you can see they're pretty easy to put together. There are 2 pages. And I've actually sewn around even my pocket, but since I'm not fantastic at sewing around, round places, I've actually left it out. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some glue, wet glue, and we're going to add it there. So how was your week, ladies? Mine has been hectic. I was supposed to go for a craft and prayer, well, not prayer, but craft session tomorrow, where we hear the word of God while we're crafting. But it's really far away from me, it's like 1 hour going, 1 hour coming back, and you know, hubby's like, no, you can go, you know, please go. And I'm like, no, I don't think you're ready for me to leave you for 5 hours on your own. Yeah, you might burn the house down. No. He doesn't get sick in a hurry. He doesn't. So when he does get sick, I think he needs a little bit of attention. Shame. I know he's not the kind of person that will sleep if he's not well. I mean, if he is okay or whatever. And yeah, I need to give him some attention. Hey, yeah. So I hope the colors are coming through, because it seems pretty dark in here today. I can't see because it's covering it, but they are the most gorgeous pastel colors that you can find out there. So I'm going to use some of this here, because it's out here and I can use it. Well, it wasn't right out, but yeah, I've realized that I've stopped using a bit of lace and all those things in my projects. So I'm going to try again. I've got a healthy collection of laces and stuff like that. Well, when I say healthy, I got a healthy collection of bits and pieces. Not big, you know, not huge pieces, but bits and pieces that I can use here and there. And I don't have a healthy collection of, like, you know, when you want to run it down an entire spine, like book page or whatever. I've got smaller pieces, so need to start using those smaller pieces at least. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. I think I'm gonna put that there at the bottom, and I wonder if this glue is going to work, because I haven't used my fabric glue in a while. And look at me. Oh, I don't know why I'm bringing everything closer to me. Yeah, like that. Ladies, it is so, yeah, I thought as much. I thought the fabric glue isn't going to work because I haven't cleaned it. So let's just use this one. It is so hot. I'm going to just put my aircon on. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh, there's it. Looking for my aircon remote, and naughty me, I didn't put it back where it should go. It is so hot here. It is so hot that the sun was so bright that I actually got a headache. So I have terrible light sensitivity. And when it's like this intensely bright outside, because of where I sit facing a window, a beautiful window that's rather big. Oh, nearly glued that the wrong way. So what happens is that if I'm sitting there and I'm looking outside, yeah, I get a terrible headache, because the you know, the light is too strong for me. So someone said to me, why don't you wear sunglasses? Did I tell you the joke about my sunglasses? So one day I had such a headache while I was working that I decided I'm going to wear my sunglasses. And I put it on, and then, so I work off 3 screens. And so I looked at my 3 screens, and they were all black. Yeah, black. So I was, no, this can't be a power failure, because if it was a power failure, only my 2 peripheral screens would have gone off, and not my laptop screen. Okay, so, you know, so I was like, no, this can't be a power failure. So I'm like trying to figure out what's happening, right? So then I like take out my sunglasses, only to find out that it was my sunglasses that was, you know, I don't know, you know, how that worked, but definitely, obviously, the sunglasses was, you know, the frequency of the light from the monitors, it blocked, was different. I don't know what, okay, because it blocked the entire monitor, whatever was on the monitors. It was like as if you were looking at a monitor or a screen that was actually put off. So that doesn't work, because I do have, I won't say they're not quite expensive. They're quite good. I do have quite good sunglasses, and you know, everyone says to me, very often we see you and you're wearing sunglasses, and I'm like, yes, I always wear sunglasses because I have light sensitivity, because I have glaucoma, and the drops that I take makes it my eyes very sensitive to light. So they said, oh, okay, is that the reason why you always, when we are out on like team bowls and team lunches, you're always wearing sunglasses? I was like, yep, that's the reason why. As soon as I go out, the sunglasses come on. So yeah, a little bit about me over there. And that's your project for today. I think I might go and maybe add something here. I just wanted to show you something. So look at these, right? Just let's cut it here. Now, you know these little snippets we make, how cute would they look if we put them here? Why? Okay, here like that. Don't they look just adorable? Like that. Like that, just like that. I think they look adorable. Let's just do that. Let's just do that. Okay. Do I want to, I'm thinking, do I want to actually use the this here to do it, or do I want to sew it on the machine? Now I think I want to sew it on the machine. I think I want to sew it on the machine, maybe. Or you can even put it like this. Okay, so you can even put it like this. How's that? And let's see, just having a play over here. Let's do that, like that. I don't know, because we can put that there like that, and then maybe put this over it like that. I think that looks so cute, like that, or something like that. Okay, so you can play around with it if you want to, but I just think I'm going to start using these on my tags like that. So if I do decide I want to do that, then you will see the finished version in my photographs. But that's basically it for today, ladies. Quick and easy. I think the time that was taken was for me to actually back them and sew them, but a quick and easy project. I hope that you like it, and you know, for those that are waiting for my my spring or Easter kits, I hope that I gave you something to work with in the interim, because I know I am late in bringing out those kits, and I do believe next week I will release the spring kit. And I'm keeping it a little bit free of bunnies and stuff like that, if I can. No, actually, already the first page got a bunny. Okay, but I've also got the Easter images that I want to use in a different kit as well. So I apologize if y'all are waiting for my kits. I'm going to do my really best to get you the spring one out by next weekend. Let's just say next weekend. Okay, yeah, so that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this Friday freebie, and I hope that you will be putting it in your journals, whether you buy my journal, my kits or not. You know, it's irrespective, but I hope that whatever projects y'all are working on, that this is going to work for y'all. Okay, take care, much love, lots of love, and have a blessed week. I probably won't see you on Monday, but Tuesday, I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.